लेके आओ, स्टूल लेके এখন কাছে মিলে বদলে না তলে তো এরকম গাড়ি লোলো এত মোটো মিনা ওটা আবার বুঝো কিছু চাই না তুমি একটু করতে লাগবে না অনেক কাপড় কাছে না তো আদা 150 টাকা নিয়ে মাল দেয়া না কোন টাকা দেয়া না সরি সরি কিটা দেয়া না এটা তো ইও হই কেন
They asked if they could come to see me off, and of course I said yes. There was no reason to say no. And we are at the railway station, which is quite obvious, as you can see. That's so stupid of me to say. Anyway, I'm leaving for Bhubaneswar. Wait, hey, that puppy is more important than me. Come back here. Yes, better. I'm going back to Bhubaneswar after 2 years. I was doing bachelor's in Bhubaneswar from RI, which is Regional Institute of Education, and I love that place and the people. Like jaan basti hai usme.
I have finally reached Bhubaneswar. I'm so excited. फाइनली मिले नहीं
मैं आकांक्षा के रेंटेड रूम में रुकी हूँ और ये उसकी रूममेट है सौमी, जो कि अभी अपना ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड कर रही है। और आकांक्षा और उसकी फ्रेंड यहाँ पे ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं। आज लास्ट एग्ज़ाम है और मैं उनको बेसिकली चीट करने में हेल्प कर रही हूँ। लॉल।
Hi everyone, we have got ready to go to Toshali Mela and this is my friend Akanksha. Hello. So now we will leave and we will meet you there. Bye.
The sight of Akanksha driving her own scooty gave me a sense of independence. I really am very proud of her because she manages everything alone.
पोपट हो गया हम लोग के साथ. So hi everyone, and just like in the last video you might have seen that there was complete darkness because the fair that we were talking about visiting today, it was closed. The last date was 4th and Akanksha did not know about it. She was misinformed, so it was a complete fail. So now I have come to market building. Well, while we were in college in RI, this used to be our escape place, and now Akanksha is back after parking the scooty. कुछ बोलना चाहती है इस मार्केट बिल्डिंग के बारे में और हमारी यादों के बारे में?
यहाँ पर 2-4 दुकानों को छोड़कर कोई दुकान ऐसा नहीं है जहाँ से हमने अपने पैसे बर्बाद नहीं किए हैं फर्स्ट ईयर में।
मतलब पढ़ाई का प्रेशर हो या एग्जाम का प्रेशर हो,
मार्केट बिल्डिंग इज द
दोस्त खरीदना कुछ नहीं है, बस सामान देख के खुशी मिल जाती है।
This market building of Bhubaneswar is just like New Market of Kolkata, but it is a bit smaller in area and comparatively much cheaper. The one thing that I loved most in this market this time was the mask. The collection of mask was amazing. They had variety of designs, variety of prints, and especially I love the Sambalpuri prints. They were so amazingly cute. I have bought one for myself as well to take as a souvenir from Bhubaneswar, and it's adorable. I'm excited to wear it.
So right now we are at our very favorite place, which is Khaugali. You should definitely visit if you are in Bhubaneswar, and here you can get the sizzling brownie. We were such a fan of this particular item, and we came whenever we were upset. Like if you have period cramps, if you are having mood swings, this is the place to. Yes, this was our favorite place, and this is really delicious. You should try it. So have a look. This is amazing.
Good morning, this is day 3 and I'm off to a place which is very special to me. It is Puri Beach. I am such a water baby and I'm again back to water. This is Master Canteen bus stand from where we will board bus, and this is my batchmate Ashru Mochan.
मास्क ऊपर पहनो, मास्क कहाँ है?
After reaching the Puri bus stand, always take the passenger vehicles. Don't reserve any auto or any other totos available.
आप यहाँ पे अकेले अकेले क्या कर रहे हैं? क्या कर पूछ रही हो तो?
मैं जाऊंगा अभी नहाने के लिए। उससे पहले तेल लगा रहा हूँ सर पे।
ब्यूटी regime before fun. Okay. Noted.
You might wonder that I said set of friends, but there's no other friend showing in my video. Well, because they did not want to be in the video and I respect their privacy. So the only thing they are good for now is to record us while we are having fun, and she also recorded me falling. Such an accomplishment for you, idiot.
We had a lot of fun throughout this time, and I'm so glad that I came to Puri, and I feel so refreshed. I had so much fun thanks to the friends who agreed on coming, and as you can see I'm all drenched. So now I will go to the washroom. There's a public washroom for visitors. Like we are here for just one day, and in some hours we will go back. So for that there is a public toilet which has bathing system and also facility for toilets. So we will go there and we will walk to the beach before we head to for lunch, and I will show you what we eat next. Bye. We did our lunch and now we are going back. So for lunch we had some prawn and chicken with plain rice. That is all. It was a very local family restaurant, but it was quite good. And not everyone was wearing mask, which is something to be really concerned about. But let's see. We have taken our precautions, so hope we will be safe. And that's all. Let's go back.
I was still so excited and energetic that I wanted to go grocery shopping with Somi, and we bought some vegetables and other stuff.
ये कि मैंने तेरे को बहुत अच्छी जगह पे लेके गई और तेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद
हाँ वो जगह तो हमने कैप्चर ही नहीं किया। वही
कोई नहीं, मेरे पास पहले का फोटो है, तू वो डालना।
ठीक है। अरे किसी दिन और फिर जाएंगे, फिर उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे।
चाय हैकर
यो
घूमने से लोकेशन भी डालेंगे। ये आ गई, देखो बहुत नाइस।
Now say hi to Ipshita, who is another roommate of Somi and Akanksha. If you're watching this, I really loved you. Thanks for being kind. Now that we are back from the market, we will set the room and set the vibe. Well, most of it was done by Akanksha, but okay. And I'm gonna end this vlog over here. Bye, take care.